Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Discord client, Stable, PTB, or Canary, matches the Better Discord release you plan to use. Once done, back up your current themes and settings so you can revert quickly. Next, close Discord completely, open Task Manager to confirm no background processes remain, then clear Discord cache folders and give the installer admin rights. Doing these first steps prevents common conflicts and prepares the app for a clean theme installation and troubleshooting sequence. You now perform the core reinstall and theme setup. Run the Better Discord installer as administrator and pick repair or reinstall to restore missing files. After that, move the theme CSS file into the active Discord client's themes directory, making sure the path matches the client you use. Then open Discord, go to User Settings, Appearance, and toggle the theme on. Restart Discord once enabled to allow CSS to load. This step resolves mismatched file locations and loader errors that prevent themes from appearing. Finish by validating the theme actually loaded. Open Developer Tools with Ctrl+Shift+I and inspect the console for CSS or asset load errors so you know what to fix. If you see conflicts, disable other plugins and any custom CSS, then re-enable them one at a time to isolate the culprit. Finally, if problems persist, uninstall Better Discord completely, reinstall carefully with admin rights, and re-add the theme. Tip: if nothing works, the console error message is the single most useful clue to resolve remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.